Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this episode we are going to be learning how to find your user ID in Critical Ops. Whether you are aiming to link your account, report an issue or verify your identity, knowing your user ID is crucial. In order to find your user ID, first of all open the Critical Ops app on your device and from the main menu, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. Soon after you do that, you will be able to see your profile information and your statistics on the right corner. Under Statistics, you will see your account ID. Your user ID is a long string of numbers and it is shown as account ID at the top right. So that is how you can easily find your user ID on Critical Ops, whether it is for support, to report an issue, or any other reason. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.